Just pulled this one out, fellas. This is fish number 5. Come here. Wow. Look at that belly. Just beautiful. Yep. Okay. All right. Stop it. There you go. Look at that. Is that a gorgeous fish, guys? Like and subscribe. Want to see more ice fishing?